Mr. Chair,
No.
nobody has ever asked me whether you are a traitor. This was only the first time that I was asked whether you are a traitor or not.
You are not even aware na sa social media sumabog yun? Nandun yung litrato mo and the claim that I am a traitor. Ngayon ka lang nagpapaliwanag that I am not a traitor. Pero nangyari na yon.
Mr. Chair, I don't think that I'm under in any obligation to respond to all those social
Okay,
media
Mr.
posts
Chair,
by bloggers,
now
social media influencers to tell them
Mr.
that they're
Chair.
wrong.
Siya muna.
Sabi niya wala siyang obligation.
Finish your statement.
Yes, sir. Mr. Chair, Honorable Marquileta, sir, I think I'm no under obligation to tell all the social media influencers, to bloggers, defend your name, tell them that you are not a traitor. Again, I did not mention that you are a traitor. It's not, those words did not come from me. Why would I go to the extent of defending you and you are running for Senate? I might as well be interpreted as running for supporting somebody for public office. Mr. Chair, the only time I learned about that was when I heard about your interview calling me gago and mangmang. Why would I even defend you if you're calling me gago?